everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. 2022 Idols SA winner Thapelo has been trending on social media after winning Idols SA Season 18 competition. And most of his fans developed some form of interest about his personal life, including his sexuality and love life. This comes after the singer posted an innocent picture of himself izimpahla ezimbambayo, and that sparked an outrage of accusations. Some are convinced ukuthi Thapelo is gay because of how he dresses and his body structure, but abanye bathi he is not gay ukuthi nje akwazi ukugqokela umzimba wakhe. Well, not much is known about his personal life, and njengoba nje esanda kuba a public figure a few weeks ago. He has a child, that's what we know. He has a child and he has previously posted cute father and daughter moment picture with him. But even though whether he's straight or not, it's none of anyone's business. SA is a free country. That's all I have for today, guys. Please check these pictures and share your opinion in the comment section. Does it tell you anything about his sexuality? Bye.